What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. Been working on this wagon here. I've got everything painted and most of the details done. Still have some trim to do on the body, and then obviously the decals and final assembly. But it's been a great kit so far. This has been one of those Revell, nicely detailed. Everything goes together well engineered. As you'll see in the slideshow, and as I talked about previous video, I did some modifications to lower it to make it a little bit like that, make it more of a cool street stance. The entire thing, well, not the entire thing, but I have gotten this far without opening almost any of these bottles or pots or whatever, doing it with the Sharpie, the silver and the black Sharpie with a nice fine point. Been able to do, you know, all this little detail without having to get into chemicals, basically, which, you know, I'm kind of okay with that. It's almost there. It's been sitting here kind of hardening a little bit, and I'm ready to start doing the final details on this, do some chrome trim, black out the rubber seals, and kind of going back and forth on whether or not I want to tape and mask that, tape and paint that rather. I think I'll probably just leave it. Kind of trying to, you know, keep it simple, not overthink it. And I found that in my experience so far, this modeling journey that I've been on, to keep it simple, stupid. The less stress that I put into it, the less, well, I mean, if you don't stress, you're not going to stress, obviously. It, you know, I'm just trying not to overthink stuff. Whatever, it's just a model. It's just plastic, just having fun. But it's going to look cool, and I'm almost there. Next time you see this, probably it will be all put together and I'll do a final reveal. Until then, I guess enjoy this brief slideshow. That's about it. Thanks for watching.